Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney, if you're new here. Hi. Today's look is going to be a quick smoky eye. Took about 5 minutes to do, and I'm going to pair it up with a couple of different lip options. So stay tuned to the end if you want to see how I created this makeup look and the other lipsticks that you can pair with it and how those look. Alright, so I'm going to start with Teddy Pencil by MAC. And what I like to do is start with my inner membrane and just throw a lot of it underneath the eye. Can bring it out a little bit using the side, and then I'm going to color in the entire lid. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to go in with a brush and blend that out. I like this because if I'm doing a smoky eye, if I start with everything dark first, then I can just pop something light, a lighter color or highlight color down the center of the lid, and it immediately gives you the dimension that, well, the dimension that I'm looking for. I find it's easier than going in with like a light color and then trying to like blend and buff out a bunch of other dark colors. So I like to keep it quick, simple, easy to do. Gonna go in with a firmer, fluffy brush. Those are two different things. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a flatter, firmer brush that is not as stiff, so it's easy to give that concentration on the lid and then buff up into the crease. That same brush, just blend out that bottom. Blend out the bottom liner. Now with a fluffier brush, I'm going in with this color here for the NYX palette. I've used this palette before in a previous video. I really like it. It's from the drugstore. It's super inexpensive. They're a great cosmetic line, so I'm really digging it. And they have like a lot of great colors in the palette. But I just loaded up my brush, and since the liner that I used as my base is a little bit creamy, I don't want to go in with something that's really firm because that would be really hard to blend out. So I'm going to take a rag, it's my pajama pants, you know that, and take the excess off of my brush so that it's got almost no product on it, and just buff that up and out. I used to love doing this. It's so quick, it's so easy. So you can go in with a little bit more on your brush if you feel like you need a little bit darker in the crease. You can also add in another color, a deeper color, or something that like black, but I'm not trying to go too glam. With that smaller, a little bit firmer, fluffier brush, took that same color, the brown, it's a matte brown, and I'm also going to set the liner underneath my eyes. That is an easy way to get that smoky effect, and your eyeliner won't move. I'm going to go in with that Roan palette that I showed in a previous video. I'll link the videos down below. I also did my base first because you've seen this, if you've watched my other videos, you've seen this a ton of times. So I just wanted to keep it more focused on the eyes. I'm going to go in with this lighter color here with my finger. I'm just going to press it just down the center of the lid. So you can just keep on building up the color or the opacity. And there you go. Gives a really pretty foil effect. Mascara, still using the Monsieur Big by Lancome. I'm going to do this off camera because you've seen mascara on. It takes a really long time. I have the Never Ending Story theme song in my head. I applied the mascara, I put put about 20 to 30 layers on. I don't blame the mascara, I blame my lashes because they're very thin. They're a bit longer because I use the eyelash, which I stand behind 100%. I figure while we're here, because I mean you can stop here, add a lip, which I am going to do, but I'm going to add a little bit of black in the outer corners just to show you. If you take one more second to add that in, it creates a lot more dimension. So you can do this with a powder. If I'm in a rush, which I usually am, I don't know why, because I don't have any place to go, I'm just going to use Smolder liner. It's not too creamy, and I'm not putting too much of it on, so I'm just going to apply it right here, just in that outer corner, and then on this inner corner. Should have done this before my mascara because my lashes always move and get stuck together. Does that happen to you? And a little bit underneath. Take that smaller, fluffier brush and just blend it out. I'm just kind of pressing it and flicking it. That way I'm not disrupting everything that's going on underneath. That took about like 5 minutes to do, and it's such a pretty look. It really makes your eyes pop. You can pair this with a red lip, you can pair this with a nude lip. Oh, I should do that. I'll do a nude version. That'll give you more of like that 60s look, and then I'll pair it up with the red so that, I don't know why I'm not just showing you. This is a nude lip, which is Spice Lip Pencil, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and Creme Brulee NYX Butter Gloss. This has been my go-to nude lip for a few months now. It's so good. This is it with the glossy red lip. This is Red Lip Pencil by MAC. I filled in my whole lip with it. And NYX Butter Gloss in Cherry Pie. And I figured, why not throw in a vamp look? So this is Chestnut Pencil by MAC and Viva Glam Ariana Grande. I'm not sure if they still make this, but if you need a dupe for it, Viva Glam 3, and just fill in a little bit more with Chestnut liner. So beautiful, and it supports the MAC AIDS Fund. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If you like what you saw, or if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.